In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Temu from search results. If you keep seeing Temu appear while browsing and you want to block the website from showing up during your browsing experience, this tutorial will guide you through a simple method that you can set up directly in your browser without needing any advanced technical skills. To get started, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is fully loaded, the next thing you need to do is access the Chrome Web Store. This is the official marketplace for Chrome extensions and browser tools that can help customize and improve your browsing experience. In the search bar, type Chrome Web Store and open the official result. Once you are inside the store, move to the search box located on the left side of the page and search for the Block Site extension. This extension is designed to block websites that you do not want to visit or see while browsing online. After searching, you should see several results appear. Look for the Block Site extension with strong ratings and positive user reviews. Choosing a trusted extension is always important because it helps ensure reliability and security while using your browser. Once you find the correct extension, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will then display a small permission window asking whether you want to install the extension. Take a moment to review the permissions being requested. If everything looks fine, continue by clicking Add Extension. The installation process usually takes only a few seconds depending on your internet connection. After the extension has been added successfully, you can now start using it to block websites from your browsing experience. Next, open a new browser tab and search for Temu. Once the website is open, look toward the top right corner of your Google Chrome browser where your installed extensions are located. You should see the Block Site icon there. Click the Block Site icon to open its menu. Inside the pop-up window, you will find an option that allows you to block the current website. Select that option, and the extension will automatically prevent Temu from being accessed in your browser. By doing this, you are essentially limiting the site from appearing during your browsing sessions, making your online experience cleaner and more personalized according to your preferences. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, removing Temu from your browsing experience is actually very simple once you have the right browser tool installed and properly configured. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.